Why do I keep talking with my hands though? What is up with this?
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That's twice a week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. You get to see me and gonna give this video a thumbs up because you know it's gonna be lit. Because on it pop, we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping. Today's video, you guys, I finally have finished the GS by Sadora. This hair growth oil is a synergistic blend of Ayurvedic herbs and healing oils with black seed oil, iris, sea moss, and black castor oil. Fortifies and rejuvenates hair follicles to prevent hair loss. It says GS by Sadora hair growth oil promotes healthy hair growth, strengthens weak hair follicles, and revitalizes damaged hair. Regular use of GS by Sadora can help reactivate weak and dormant hair follicles while promoting softer, healthier, and stronger hair. How to use: apply the oil directly to the scalp and massage the scalp for a minimum of 10 minutes. Usage 3 to 5 times a week. Is highly recommended. Suitable for all hair types and ethnicities. And I have the ingredients list on the screen because there are a lot of ingredients in this one as well. This one is, oh girl, this one got a lot of ingredients like that shall not be named. But yeah. The only difference is this one right here did not give me any problems with my scalp. This one right here, now this is one that I like, but I kept like forgetting to use it. It's a good oil, don't get me wrong, it's a great oil because it really helps my hair grow, and I like the way it made my hair feel, and I like that when it says that it makes your hair soft, it literally does make your hair soft. It's one of those ones that when I put it in my scalp and I felt my hair, it didn't feel dry, it didn't feel flaky. I noticed that when the first time I used it, it was gonna be one of the ones that I was gonna like on my scalp because I like the way it made my hair feel, and I like that it kept my hair moisturized. As far as hair growth, I'll have the video from when I first started using it to a few days ago when I last used it. As far as the hair growth goes, this baby is really good. I mean, you know, I got some that are a little bit better, got a few that are a bit better, but I feel like this one right here is almost compatible to the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops because it works, but it needs a boost. Now I use this along with my black rice water, and they're a match made in heaven. Both with this combined with that black rice water, it makes your hair growth, makes your hair soft, makes your hair moisturized, and it does what it needs to do, but you just need that boost. And that black rice water along with this, girl, this one is one that I could really tell made my hair stronger, because I don't know, but I know when it came to my wash days, or if I had braids in my hair and I would use this, because I really was using it when I had those braids. Every time I would have braids, I would put this on my scalp, and my hair had a good amount of growth every time I would take it down. I also noticed when I would take my hair down and I do my wash days, my hair wasn't coming out as much as it normally would, and I think it has something to do with this one. So this one is really good for that kind of like hair that keeps on breaking off. I still have a little bit left because you can use it 3 to 5 times a week. I actually would sparingly use it. I stretched it out for 3 months because I wanted to see was it actually going to grow my hair, and I think she did. It didn't grow my hair as fast as some of the oils I've used previously, but it did give me a good amount of hair growth, and I noticed a bit of a difference from the first day I started using it to up until now. So if you're looking to try it and you've been wanting to try it and you've been waiting for me to review it to see whether or not it grew my hair, it works. It's a good oil, good to keep your hair moisturized. It will soften your hair up, and it does help with breakage. Everything that it says that it does on this bottle, it actually does. And I paid attention to all of those things and noticed that my hair didn't break as much. It didn't break as much as it normally would. And like I told y'all, I love the way this oil made my hair feel. It literally, you know how stuffing, you know how like the soft cushion feels inside of a bear? That's how my hair would feel every time I use this. This one right here is good if you want to, you know, if you have some 4C nappy hair like me and you want it to be a little bit soft, you want it to be a little bit more manageable, it's a good oil for that. I haven't had oils that made my hair feel soft. No oil I've ever used has ever made my hair feel soft. So I would buy this one again, only because, girl, I would want something that makes my hair manageable, that, you know, gives it that softness, you know, that I want to feel when I'm, you know, playing around in my hair. And I don't get that from any oils. So I would use this, but I would definitely have to incorporate it with another oil just to give it that boost and to kind of like speed up my hair growth and stuff like that. But yeah, it does work. And it's now I want to get the complete hairline just to see if the other products perform good like this one. I feel like if the oil kind of like softens my hair up, I can only imagine what the shampoo and conditioner would do. So girl, I'm gonna have to go back on the website and get that. So yeah, that is my review for this one. I would rate this one kind of like a 7.5 out of 10. Only because you need that boost. And like I said, I used my black rice water with this and it gave it a good push. And yeah, so those two together are like magic. But I do like this one. This one is a good one. Whoever suggested this one to me, thank you. This one really did help my hair to grow. The only thing that I can say is I was putting it on my spot. It did grow my hair, but y'all know I showed y'all that the black rice water was one that gave it a bit more, you know, that gave it that growth that I was looking for. Still thin, but you know, that black rice water came in and made it do what it do along with this. But that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.